dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got a new video for you guys. This is how I do my makeup step by step. So if you're interested in this look, just stay tuned and keep watching. So now I'm just taming my eyebrow with a spoolie brush. I would definitely recommend getting your eyebrows done beforehand, either threading or waxing. I just find that by doing this you get a better appearance. So I'm using Dip Down by MAC on my eyebrows. I really love the consistency of this product. It's really dark. I love my eyebrows really dark, so I think it works perfect for me. And what I really like about it as well, to me anyway, it's smudge proof. It dries really well on the eyebrow and it doesn't actually smudge throughout the day. That I'm using to fill in my eyebrows is called a 263 brush by MAC, and it's a small angle brush. Now I'm using a Vintinelli concealer palette to highlight under my brow bone. Ideally your concealer is meant to be 1 to 2 shades lighter. I like this colour for me because I find that it really conceals and it really gives me a nice highlight beneath my brow bone. Don't be alarmed at the brightness. Remember that you are going to blend it in later, so it's fine for it to be a little bit whiter. Okay, so this is where it's really important to blend in your eyebrows. You don't want to have the halo effect, so really make sure that you buff out the concealer really well. The top part is not that important because you are going to cover it with your foundation. I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No. As the night draws near, we are animals, so see it feels so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of love. There's no room for us here. It's a cold running around. It's a cold running around.
When